Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, you guys. I apologize. I've been going for a few weeks and I can't find my little thing to put the thing up, but whatever. I'm gonna show you what I got. Some breakfast. I guess I'm gonna call it a breakfast bowl, y'all. I don't know what to call it. Yes, my bacon is well done because that's how I like it. That's how I like it. So yeah, I'm trying to fix this a little bit so y'all can see something. All right, I fixed it a little bit. So you guys, hey. So I'm gonna tell y'all everything in the bowl real quick. So we got fried shrimp, we have bacon, we have eggs, cheese, grits. Show y'all again. Let me see if I can show y'all one more time and then I'm gonna get to the food. Oh, y'all can see my background, my daughter piano. Okay, let's get to it. How y'all doing today? I did let it cool down, so it should not be as hot. Oh, and what what I was gonna say, y'all. I am drinking a mixture. Y'all gotta try it. It's a mixture of orange juice and apple juice. Banging. So yeah. First bite goes to y'all because I haven't seen you guys in 2 weeks. First bite goes to y'all. Take a bite. Take a bite like that. Mm-hmm. 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 Some people don't eat their bacon well done, but you know, toodles to y'all that don't, but I gotta have my bacon well done. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Happy Easter, y'all. Easter was yesterday. I almost forgot. What did you guys do for Easter? And parents, what do you guys do with your kids for Easter? Me, I don't really celebrate Easter, but my mother do, so she came over yesterday. Got the kids some baskets and stuff. I don't really not celebrating it, so. Some people go to church. That's good. Some people go to church. Some people don't. Some people, stay home and cook like a Sunday dinner. Some people grill out on a grill, you know. Y'all, I might do another video today for dinner time. We'll see. I want to go to this place called I think it's like a cheesesteak place. It's called Meatheads or something. I have never been there, but I heard their cheesesteaks are super good. So I'm gonna go try it out. Have you guys ever been to a meathead before in y'all area? Let me know if y'all did and tell me what it tastes like, if it's good. See that bacon on the side? Yeah. But yeah, I want to try that place out. Also, y'all might hear my kids. They are in the background somewhere. I think they still eating. I'm gonna do some greedy stuff for y'all. Hold up. Put the shrimp, grits, piece of bacon on there. I'm sorry y'all can't see the food. I gotta find my little device that stands it up. I don't know where it's at. I've been looking for it, can't find it. But, yeah. I don't even know if y'all can hear the crunch from the bacon. Okay? It's so freaking good. Nigel, did you eat your food? Okay. Well. That mixture of that orange juice and apple juice, I love it. I'm trying to eat a little slow, y'all. That's good. Woo! Do y'all see it? I feel like I'm far from y'all. Go a little closer. There we go. Y'all can see me a little better. I can't see the food, but I'm getting it in. You guys comment below. Also, what y'all eating for breakfast today? I also wanted to do a video with you guys, a chicken Caesar salad, but just the thing, right? For some reason, healthy foods do not get reviews. Or not that many. But you'll see those weird people some strolling saying, oh, you need to eat healthy. Like, y'all don't want to see us eat the healthy food. And I love salad, y'all. But I like making it myself. You know? But this might man had me for all day. It's almost like brunch time, really. I think this is like 11 o'clock. I hope y'all can hear the crunch. It's good, y'all. For real. It's really good. Y'all, I'm thirsty. I'm trying to drink no more. Because if I drink this, I ain't gonna be able to eat no more. Ain't all right. Now, I am a YouTuber that definitely watches other videos, other people. It's this one girl, lady, sorry, that I watch on there. I think, what the heck is her name? Oh, Chocolate Girl Eats. I swear, yo, her videos be cracking me up. So hopefully she see my video one day. Hey, Chocolate Girl Eats, we can do a video. We can do a video. I'm for it. But yeah, y'all, go to her video, support her. She is definitely funny. And she put a lot of time and hard work into her videos, you can tell. Me, I ain't get there yet, y'all. I'm still growing. Y'all growing with me. Y'all got ideas. Let me know. I'm still trying to figure all this stuff out. Drip, drip. Y'all, I think it's time for me to tap out. Y'all hear my daughter? She be her. She made her room tripping. I'm full, y'all. I think I ate a lot. I tore that bacon up in that shrimp. All right, y'all. I'm about to go. So, again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for supporting me. And I support as well. I do follow, or I try to follow as much as I can of subscribers back that subscribe to my channel. So, I love y'all. I gotta get up out of here. I'm full. Bye.